Hey y'all, welcome back to Mrs. Lynn's Cooking. Today we're going to make the poor man donut holes. All you're going to need is grease for frying, powdered sugar or cinnamon sugar, whichever you prefer, a paper bag, and the least expensive biscuits, skin biscuits you can get. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is get your grease and put it in a pot. I put about maybe 2 to 3 inches of grease in that pot. It's a small one. Then I took the powdered sugar I had, and what you've done is I put the powdered sugar in a paper bag, just like this. And it's about a half a cup. Then you're going to take your biscuits that you get, and you're just going to go in here with a knife, and you're going to cut them into quarters. And once we get these cut up, then we'll take them over to the oven or to the stove so that we can start frying them up. Okay, the first thing we're going to do to test our oil to see if it's ready to go is I want you to take a piece of your donut, and if it starts sizzling like that, it's ready. Then turn your burner down 1 notch. And then you're just going to drop these in here one at a time and till you get enough in the pot to where they're not overcrowded, but yet you got enough in there for, and then get a fork. And then that way you can, because they will stick to the bottom. So just take your fork, and then what you're going to do is you're just going to kind of punch them down like this. And they will flip over. And once they flip over, then they're ready, and we're going to take them, and then we're going to transfer them to a paper plate with a paper towel on it to drain them off a little bit. So we're just going to let these fry up. Excuse me. But we want to make sure that they're a golden brown so that they're done on the inside. You can also do whole ones, but I've tried doing that before, and the whole ones for some reason don't seem to get done on the middle. So that's why I go in here and I make the donut holes. And plus, if you have kids, it's a lot easier for them to handle. And then you take it and transfer it over to a paper towel and a paper plate. So we're just going to keep frying these up until we get every bit of our dough golden brown. Okay, we've got our donut holes fried up. So what we're going to do, they're still hot. So you want to take and put your donut holes in your powdered sugar, just like this. And then we're going to shake them up, and you're going to pull them out. And I would advise just do like half at a time, or maybe a quarter at a time. And it does make a little bit of a mess, but trust me, it'll well worth it. So, and now what we're going to do is we're going to take them and we're going to put them into our plate here, and just knock off as much of the powdered sugar as you can. If you can't get it all off, that's okay too. Donut holes, doing this way, they make a little bit of a mess. So we'll let you get this taken care of real quick. Let's get these out of here. And you'll have to feel around for them. So, and just shake them off a little bit. All those. And then you're just going to repeat the process, just like so. And like I said, whoops, I dropped one. That's okay. Okay. Then we're going to take it again and then fold the bag up. And then still to the beginning. Like so. Take them up. And I'm going to take them out of the bag. But you do need to do this in a paper bag. It will melt the plastic one. So, here we go. We've got these just about done. And we're doing pretty good. Then, come out of here. You just got to feel full because there's quite a bit of powdered sugar that's in these. So, and you'll have some excess powdered sugar, and that's okay. Just, just dispose of it in the garbage. Or you could save it for another batch if you're going to do it the next day. But I wouldn't recommend doing it that much, no longer than that. And then if you could see, your powdered donuts are done. And I'm going to be the first one to try them. This is really good. If you like my video, please like and subscribe, but I want to let you know I will not be back for 2 weeks. So once I come back, we'll have a new recipe when we get back.